Hello guys, I'm changing this actuator. Is the circulation actuator for the blendoor. It's in a 2011 Kia Optima 2.0 turbo. So pretty much you have to remove the whole glove box compartment. So I'm kind of halfway. There's the other part that I removed. So this thing is making a noise when I turn on the AC and I put the recirculation mode, like this one right here. There you go, this one. I press it, and right here is going to start knocking. I don't know if you can hear that, but the thing is located right there. That one right there. I can see you guys from here, but it's kind of hard to see. But you see that right there, the little actuator. That one is the one is making the noise. So let me see if I can give that flashlight here. That one right there. That one right there. So I will do it again. Let me see. You hear that? So it's that blendoor actuator right there. That one. And I had to replace it. I already have the new one. So I managed to get there to remove it and put a new one on there. But yeah, it's a lot of things they have to remove here, but it can get done. All right, guys. I already get this recirculation blendoor actuator out, and this is how it looks like. So this is the one that's making those noises. So this is the old one, and I have the new one here. This is the new one. This is the part number. It's a 4th season. So this is the new part here. Okay, it's exactly the same. So I already matched it. It has the same pin connector, the same amount of teeth. So I'm about to install it to see how it goes. I mean, it should be fixing the issue, because that thing is, when I press the circulation button there, start making those weird noises, like tapping noises on there.